What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show how to disable the locking mechanism in the top lid on this Harbor Freight US General 44-inch top chest. And it'll also work on some other tool chests, because I've done it in the past. When the lid is closed, the drawers are locked. And they can't be opened. The top lid must be opened to unlock the drawers. The locking mechanism is these three bars attached to the lid, number 2 and number 3. Taking a look at one of these locking bars, when the lid moves up and down, the locking bars move up and down. Each drawer has a lock catch on the back, in line with a locking bar. This is a long drawer, so it lines up with 2 locking bars. And when the locking bar is lowered, locking hooks on the locking bar hook into the catches, locking the drawers shut. So, what if you're working on something very important, with tools, and you need to open a drawer immediately, but you can't? You have to stop what you're doing and get up to open the top lid, just to get a snack. That's terrible. So, let's fix it. I will show 2 solutions. There is a hinge pin that connects the locking bar to the lid. Use a punch or something similar, and a hammer to tap out the pin. Then pull it out and remove it. The locking bar is no longer attached to the lid. Pull the locking bar up to unlock the drawers, and temporarily hold it in place. Then open the drawers, and drop the locking bar all the way down where it's ineffective. And you can replace the pin to store it if you don't want to lose it. Now the locking bar does absolutely nothing, and it's not in the way. The drawers can be opened and closed with the lid open or closed. Also, if you ever want to reconnect the locking mechanism, you can easily just knock out the pin and reconnect the locking bar to the lid to restore the original functionality. Now, solution number 2. If you have a deeper dislike for these locking bars, first we are going to disconnect these 2 gas struts, which allows the lid to rotate farther back. You can disconnect it at the top connection or the bottom connection. I'm doing the bottom because it's easier to reach. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the retaining clip. I still have my punch out, so that's what I'm using. Then just pull it off. And do the same thing on the other side. Pry up the retaining clip and pull it off. Make sure you're holding the lid because there's nothing supporting it, and rotate the lid back until the hinge bracket is out of the way. I rested it against the wall. And with the hinge bracket out of the way, pull the locking bar up and out, and remove it. And here it is with all of its magnificent locking hooks, making our life miserable. Go ahead and pull out all the locking bars. You will have to pull the drawers out slightly to let them out. Then, let them know how you feel about them. I don't ever plan on using them again, but I'm personally going with option 1 and storing the locking bars in the disabled position, and storing the pins in the hinge brackets. They'll likely be impossible to find as replacements, and who knows what the future holds. Next, reinstall the gas struts. Just push the clips in and snap them on. And that takes care of it. There's 2 options to solve the problem. Now the drawers can be opened and closed, with the lid opened or closed. Perfect! I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.